Greetings of the day to everyone. I am Professor Rohit Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lectures. In today's lecture, I am going to explain how a teacher can handle a live class on Moodle by using Google Meet. So, I am illustrating the complete tutorial with the help of Google Meet app and one of the course of Moodle. So first of all you have to click on Google Meet, and after clicking a screen will be displayed. So on that screen you have to click on new meeting. A new meeting is being generated and URL will be displayed on the screen. You have to click on the share to copy the URL. So number of options will be displayed. You can share this URL by any option, but I am preferring copy to the clipboard because I am going to paste this URL on my Moodle course page. So I am clicking on the option copy to clipboard. Then after this we will exit this screen and move to our course homepage of the Moodle. So I am moving to the Moodle, my course homepage, Python course, Introduction to Python Programming. So whenever you want to add the Google Meet on Moodle, then first of all you need to turn the editing on of your course. So I am clicking turn editing on. After clicking the turn editing on, you will be able to edit anything on this course. You can add new items or you can even edit the previous items. So after turn editing on, I will be moving to the bottom of the screen. Now I have moved to the bottom of the screen and there is topic number 13. I am going to edit this topic and arranging a class for the students. So I am mentioning the date 10 September 2020 and it's a live class on Google Meet. Then press enter. So topic is now being added. It's processing now. Now you can see that topic is now being added. Now we will have to add any activity or resource to the topic. Because I had copied the URL from the Google Meet, so I will use the activity URL from the menu. So I am clicking on the URL and after clicking the URL, two fields are mandatory to be supplied. One is the name of the URL, second is the external URL which we have copied already from the Google Meet. So first of all give the name, you can give any name. I am giving the name live class, and in the external URL you will have to paste the link of the URL you had copied from the Google Meet. Then click here and paste. Then go to the start of the link and delete this one. Meeting URL should be deleted. So now save and return to the course. Click save and return to the course. So a new URL will be created. You can see that there is URL live class. First of all, turn its editing off and then move to last of the page and click on the live class. You will be redirected to the Google Meet app and students will also be redirected there. Then open with, you can either open with the Chrome or any browser or through the mobile app. So I am using the Google Meet for the same. Click on the Google Meet and anyone who will click on the link, all students will be joined in the class as soon as they will click on the link. This is the way we can assess Google Meet through Moodle. We can handle a live session through Moodle by using Google Meet. Hope everything will be clear to you. Thanks a lot for listening to the session. Thank you very much.